Welcome to our channel. Today we study the concept subtraction of integers. To study the subtraction of integers, the concept we have to know is the additive inverse of the integer. It is already discussed in the previous videos. So, how to subtract a pair of integers? For example, you know how to add. For example, I give a small example. Add 6 and 2. We know we write that is 6 plus 2, of course 8. Next, subtract 6 and 2. Of course, we write the greater number first in order. 6 minus 2, of course 4. Can we write? Actually, you are writing the additive inverse of this plus 2. Correct? In subtraction. So, this is nothing but 6 minus 2. Actually, you are given 2. You got the additive inverse of plus 2 because the operation is subtraction. So, the result is 4. Whenever you want to subtract an integer from any, write the additive inverse of the subtrahend. See this example. In words I will give now. Subtract 6 from 2. Here I don't follow the value of the digit from part. This part, this is the minuend, this is the subrahend. So from 2, subtract 6 from 2. Clearly we have two integers. From 2 we have to subtract 6. From 2, you have to subtract 6. Okay. Since the subrahend is a positive integer, write the additive inverse of this. What is the additive inverse of this? Minus 6. So it is 2 minus 6. So plus 2 minus 6 gives minus 4. Okay. And one more question. Subtract minus 3 from 6. From 6, what to subtract? Minus 3. What the additive inverse of minus 3? Plus 3. So it becomes 6 plus 3, which is 9. Okay, initially you may get confusion, but by working on the same concept again and again, it will become perfect. But I show a simple way also. Instead of thinking of additive inverse or ways subtraction, see, I repeat the same question. Subtract minus 4 from minus 8. Clearly we have two integers. So open two brackets, followed by the operation subtraction between them. The first bracket, what to be written? The from part, that is minus 8. In the later bracket, minus 4. Okay. Now open the brackets. Minus 8 is not preceded by any sign, so I get minus 8 outside. Since we have like terms or like integers, we get the plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4, the addition concept, minus 4. Okay. You may not worry about the additive inverse, the operation, everything. Whenever you have the like signs inside the bracket and preceding the bracket, take the positive sign. One more. Simplify. I don't mind mentioning here the operation between the integers. Plus 6 minus plus 3. Okay. See the signs. Unlike, whenever you find a pair of unlike integers, you write the negative. So this is plus 6 minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 3. Very simple. You follow the bracket concept and like and unlike during subtraction. Let's solve some questions based on this, which are 3 marks questions. Simplify. Or before going to simplify, let's work out some subtractions. Subtract A 18 from minus 40, B minus 21 from minus 5, minus 6 from 3. 3 different models. As I said, open 2 brackets first, followed by the operation subtraction. From minus 40, what? 18. When I open the brackets, minus 40, since it is positive, we get the negative minus 18, which gives minus 58. See how simple? And see the second, the same bracket, open 2 brackets. The first bracket, the from part, minus 5. The later bracket, minus 21. Since we have like signs, so we get plus 21. Plus 21 minus 5 is equal to plus 16. Clear? And the last, again follow the bracket concept. From 3, what? Minus 6. Again a pair of like integers. So it is 3 plus 6, 9. Whenever you find a pair of like integers, the outcome is a positive. Whenever you find a pair of unlike signs, the outcome is a negative. So now we go for some questions, simplifying questions. Simplify. (16 plus 24 minus 15 minus 8 plus 16 minus 25. We have multiple operations, that is plus and also minus. Let's copy 16 plus 24, like signs, so we get plus 15. Again unlike, since 8 is positive, unlike, so we get minus 8 plus 16, like, plus 25. So we opened all the brackets by using the word like, unlike, not 8 inverse concept, to make the concept clear for you initially. Now we have all positive except this minus 8. Let us add up all the positive integers. 16, 24, 40, 40 plus 15, 55, 55 plus 16, 71, 71 plus 25, 96. The 96 is the sum of all positive integers, and we have only one negative integer, that is minus 8. So the result is 88. See how simple. You not break your mind the 8 inverse and something, but that concept you have to learn. Clear? One more of the same. Minus 20 minus 4 plus 24 minus 6 plus 15. Let's use the same concept. Minus 20, like, so plus 4, plus 24, like, so plus 6, plus 15. Oh, we have 4 positive and 1 negative. So minus 20, the sum of all positive. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 34 plus 15, 49. Plus 49. Plus 49 minus 20. Plus 29. It takes minutes to work out any simplifying question here onwards. Okay? And some more verbal questions. And these verbal questions are very important of 3 marks questions. Let's see how they frame the question. Very simple. Sum of two integers is 40. One of them is minus 18. Find the other. Find the other. That means other integer. We have the sum and one of the integer. Other integer, of course, by subtraction. Sum of integers 40. One integer is equal to minus 18. Therefore, other integer is the difference of these two. That is 40 minus 18. So you must use the bracket concept here. You know, this is 40 like, so plus 18. 58 is the other integer. And here we have one more question. The sum is a negative integer and one of them is also a negative integer. But the operation is always subtraction. To find the other integer, you have to find the value of the known integer from the sum of the integers. That's the main concept you have to register. Don't follow the plus and minus. So do write the statements first. Sum of integers is equal to minus 18. One of them is minus 10. Therefore, other always we get by subtracting 1 from the total. This is minus 18 minus of minus 10. Okay. So minus 18 like plus 10, we get minus 8. So minus 8 is the other integer. Minus 8 is the other integer. These questions are very frequent in all the examinations. Practice many of you from your source or from any source and become perfect. We solve some more questions in our next video. Thank you for watching.